Creating a YouTube channel and configuring all the settings, including YouTube Shorts monetization, involves several steps. Here's how you can create a YouTube channel and set up various settings, including YouTube Shorts monetization. 1. Create a YouTube channel. Sign in or create an account. If you already have a Google account, sign into it. If not, create a Google account by visiting accounts.google.com. This Google account will be associated with your YouTube channel. Create a channel. Once you're signed in, visit youtube.com. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner, then click on Your Channel. Follow the prompts to create your channel. You can choose to use your name or a custom name for your channel. 2. Set up channel settings. Channel art and logo. Upload a profile picture, channel logo, and channel art that represents your channel's identity. These images will appear on your channel homepage and across YouTube. About section. Write a brief and engaging channel description in the About section to tell viewers what your channel is about. Links and contact information. Add links to your social media profiles, websites, and any other relevant contact information in the About section. 3. Configure channel privacy settings. Channel visibility. Choose whether you want your channel to be public or unlisted. Public channels are discoverable by anyone, while unlisted channels can only be accessed by those with a direct link. Comments and community. Decide who can comment on your videos and what level of moderation you'd like to have. You can also set up community guidelines. 4. Upload content. Upload videos. Click the Upload button in the top right corner to start uploading your videos. You can customize titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails for each video. YouTube Shorts. To create shorts, go to the YouTube app on your mobile device and tap the plus button. Select Create a Short, and follow the instructions to create short-form videos. 5. Enable monetization for YouTube Shorts. As of my last update in September 2023, Shorts were not fully magnetizable like regular videos, but this might have changed. To check the latest information on YouTube Shorts monetization, visit YouTube's official Creator Academy or Help Center. 6. Promote your channel. Share content. Share your videos on social media platforms and other relevant online communities to attract viewers. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage discussions to build a loyal audience. Remember that YouTube's policies, features, and monetization criteria can change, so it's essential to regularly check YouTube's official resources for the latest updates. Always make sure to follow their guidelines and community standards to ensure a successful and compliant channel.